Hello there. Um, Thanks for joining my channel, RP Guru Tech Talk. My name is Rena Prasad. When if you have seen my previous video where I created a video where I showed you how to improve your audio quality by using the phone voice recorder for your audio and use the laptop webcam, inbuilt webcam for your video, and later on blend it in VSDC. That way, your audio quality would be better compared to using the microphone of the laptop. This is where you don't have a separate microphone, a good one, and you want to use the existing resources. So, um, so before I created that video, I had created one more video where I tried to do that, whatever I mentioned, right? But like using the phone voice recorder for the audio and the video using the webcam. The only thing I missed was I forgot to um, disable the laptop's microphone. So what happened is it created a video with the laptop's microphone available for recording the audio. So there's a video AV file which has audio in it, but that audio is really bad. It got messed up. But I also had a good quality audio file from my phone recording. So let me show you what really happened. Here's the video which has a distorted audio.
Thanks for joining my channel. Okay, I'm going to start. I'm already logged in. You need to have a login to work on any of the designs.
So if you see, it's all messed up. I mean, there's a disturbance. There is my lips movement don't match the audio. So it's the audio is totally messed up on the video. So now let's look at the audio file which I created for the same video using my phone recorder.
This is Renu Prasad. Thanks for joining my channel, RP Guru Tech Talk. Today I'm going to talk about a third in the series of YouTube channel branding. Here today I'm going to show you how to create a watermark for all your YouTube.
So you see, the audio is good on my phone recorder. The video is bad. Video is good, but the audio which is in the video is it's messed up. I mean, it's not good quality, as well as there's a mismatch in my lip movement and the audio. So what I thought was, what do we do? I mean, should I go ahead and re-record the whole thing again using the same steps which I talked about, or is there any other way to fix it? So let's see if there is a way. So I'm going to go to VSDC. So I've opened VSDC. I'm going to import the video, which was having a bad audio in it. So let's play and see if that's the video which has a problem.
Hello everyone. This is Renu Prasad. Thanks for joining my channel, RP Guru Tech Talk. Today I'm going to talk about a third create a watermark for all your YouTube channel videos. The importance of watermark is once you have a watermark, it ties your videos to a brand, to your brand, and also it also kind of gives you a chance to tell your the viewers if they want to let's say subscribe, and they don't have to scroll down to the description to actually subscribe to your channel. They can actually subscribe by clicking the watermark and then subscribe automatically. Let me start showing you how to do that. So let's go to the camera.
Now let's see. So if you see, the video is there. The audio, I cannot see how to get the audio out. So what I do is I go to the properties channel. properties of the video. So let's see. I go to the I open the properties, and if you scroll down, there is a button here which says split to video and audio. So now I'm going to split that. So now you see the video which had this bad audio in it. Now I have it visible here. So what I do is I'm going to take it away and delete it. So let's see. I'm going to say I place the cursor on the audio and say delete. Now my audio is gone. So let's see what happens if I play the video now. It's a silent movie. So far so good. So now let me get the phone recorded audio file and add it to this video. I want to make sure that's the same audio. So let's see. Yes. So I plugged in the phone recorded audio into this project. So now let's see if I play what happens. So now let's play the video. Hello everyone. Now let's go to project, export project, web, MP4, and let's export it. So what I did was, while that happens, let me explain again. I recorded a video which had also recorded the audio with the laptop's microphone. But what happened was the laptop's microphone recording was pretty bad. At one point, it lost the sync between the lips movement and the actual audio, and there was also a lot of noise. So pretty much it was messed up. But luckily, I had recorded the audio with my phone recorder, which was very good quality compared to what was recorded by the laptop's microphone. So to fix that, I removed the audio which was associated with the video from the laptop by using VSDC, and then I added the audio recording from the phone voice recorder into the project, and then blended the video and audio together and created one AV file, and now I'm exporting the file to create the video. Thanks for watching. Please look forward to more videos from me. If you have any questions, please put in comments. Please subscribe to my channel. Look forward to working with you again. Thank you. Bye.